Well, hello there. I am back with another Glamaholic unbagging. Today's featured product is their nylon backpack, the regular size. I have 5 to show you. One is already unbagged because I use it on a regular basis at the present moment. This is my bag of choice right now. So this is the brown. It has like it's like kind of like a cloth, like a cloth strap. So you want to be careful around sharp objects because you don't want to snag your straps. The straps are very adjustable. Got like a belt and buckle type adjustment. 2 plush pockets on the side. Keep me some fancy plush pudding. You can put anything small in here, your keys, lip gloss change. You probably could even leave it unzipped and slide a bottle of water in the side, you know, of it. I haven't tried that, but you could probably do that. And you have a zip pocket here that you can put quite a few things in too. I have some personal effects in here and a little Vaseline. On the inside, I guess, I don't know, this shouldn't even be what's in your bag. This ain't that video, but gotta show you. I have a 13-inch laptop that I have in here. I have my Glamaholic little makeup pouch. I have my Glamaholic brown wallet in here. Then it has 4. It has 4 pockets. Yeah, I have something in here I don't want to share, so I'll show it the inside of the empty one. I don't want no problems with YouTube for showing. I don't want to be showing something and getting in trouble for it. So yeah. So that's the brown one. This is my daughter's. This is hot pink. She don't have anything in here yet, per se. Some paper towels. But this is the inside. Pretty deep inside. You can, as you saw, put a whole full extra large jumbo wallet in there. There's a pocket right here. A pocket right here. Another pocket right here. And then you have a zip pocket right here. And this is the hot pink. And you can cinch it, and then you have magnetic closure. So that's brown, hot pink. This was the very first one I purchased. I just opened it up to peek at it. This was a birthday gift to myself. I purchased this one December the 15th, 2023. I know. And this is the red. So boogie time, you will probably love this since it's your favorite color, red. This is how it comes packaged. Handle is wrapped. I think they use like a vegan leather. The logo, the Glamaholic G, is protected with a piece of tape. So that's the red. This has never been opened. This is the nylon black, and they market it as unisex, so anyone can carry it if they so choose to. I know some men probably like, nah, I'm good, but they made it unisex, so it's not like super girly, but some men probably wouldn't want to carry it, which is, I guess, could be understandable. Each bag comes with a dust bag so that you can store it when not in use. Protect it with some cardboard. And each bag also has another bag, a little, I guess this is nylon. This is a little nylon, little knapsack type bag. No pockets or anything, but it seems to be very durable. Nice quality strings to secure it. Big and open. This is rather large. Sure, I think the bag will fit in here too. It's bigger than the bag itself. I don't know what you call those bags. These black bags, but yeah. A bag in a bag. So yeah, each bag. So I have 4 of these, and my daughter has 1. And then you have the bag itself. This is the nylon bag in black. So this is how it actually comes. As I said, the handle is wrapped. The straps are secured. Then it has this little thing underneath, I guess, so it's not like compressed together. The G is protected from scratches. Every bag, the makeup of it is the exact same way. And then they have desiccants in here for the moisture, for when it's stored in, why did I do that? For when it's stored in the warehouses. All right, last but not least, nylon backpack in gray. The price of these backpacks at regular price is $125. Again, I got the red one December 15th, 2023, so I paid full price for the red one, which I paid $125. It was a gift to myself for my birthday. But the other 4, this black, the brown, the pink, and this gray, were all purchased May 13th or May 10th, 2024. So I've had them since May of 2024, and just now opening them. But they were half price, so I paid $62.50 each for them. And again, they all came with this cute little nylon little knapsack. That's what I'm gonna call it. I don't know what you call it, but I'm gonna call it a knapsack. And this is the gray one. And they said that they are unisex in style, so you can get it for your child, teenager, or yourself. And they come in 2 different sizes. This is the large, and then they have a mini as well. I have one of those. I don't know where it is. I have no idea. And this is the gray. This was $62.50, half off at a sale on a sale date. I forgot to mention that each bag, the color of the outside, the interior is the exact same color. So the gray is gray on gray, gray on gray, black on black, red on red, brown on brown, and you saw the pink, but I'll show it again. And hot pink on hot pink. So yes, the interior matches the exterior, and then it's branded with the creator's name. All of her products has her name by Mia Ray on the inside. That's the owner's name. She goes by Mia Ray. And how you clean it, you can take a damp cloth or a baby wipe, and you just wipe it down, because the material is made out of nylon, similar to what your umbrellas are made out of. So you can take a damp cloth or a baby wipe, and you just wipe the dirt off. To clean it, you store it in a cool, dry place, and you keep it out of direct sunlight, because you don't want it to fade. This is my unboxing of Glamaholic Lifestyle's large nylon backpacks. If you like what I do here on my channel, give me a big thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing. And check out one of these videos here to my left or my right, and there will be a card inserted somewhere throughout the video. Check out a video that's linked in the cards. Later.